Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to introduce an interesting product. It is a writing tablet from Xiaomi. We all know that Xiaomi is a very innovative and world-renowned company, and it is very helpful and suitable for all. First of all, let's go for unboxing. Stay with me, please. So here it is. We also get a pen, look like a stylus, and this one is 10-inch display, and another version have 13.5-inch display. The operating is very simple. You just need to press this one to erase everything. Okay, it has a pressure sensing technology, so it is very light, only 195 gram, and the pen, it's only 7 gram, so very light. And there is also a magnetic force to keep your pen safe. Not bad, looking good, but it will not work in other sides. Okay, only right side. Okay, and it will reduce your paper use greatly. Believe me, you can use it in every aspect, like in a meeting, in time of note taking, and it's very light, so you can carry it with you. And another thing is, if you don't want to lose it, or like something you take some notes that you need to save for later, then just press it. It's a lock. Now it will not erase. Okay, but whenever you don't need to save, then you just put it in normal state, then gone. Even you don't need to worry about the battery. Okay, because Xiaomi says that if you even use it and erase it for 100 times a day, it will stay 1 year long. So don't worry about the battery. You can replace the battery from here. Okay, push it up and change the battery, while you need to change it after a year. Okay, let's talk about the specifications. The screen is highly sensitive. Xiaomi called it pressure sensing technology. The thickness of the writing depends on the writing pressure. The greater the pressure, the thicker it will be. and the experience of this pen is very light and the feeling is really nice. The handwriting is clear. And the screen is a zero power LCD screen which consumes a very little power. The battery lasts really long and we can use it more than 1 year with a single battery, even if we erase 100 times a day like this. And the screen is not a Blu-ray screen, but the writing color is blue-green kind of, and you can write for a long time because there is no dust, ink, and it's hygienic definitely. And this ultralight magnetic stylus has a very good grip and storage is also very nice. Okay, and you can lock it to save it, and if you don't want to save it, then just erase it. So this is the best writing tablet or digital blackboard in an affordable price by considering all its features. Okay, here is one thing. I locked it, so it will not going to erase mistakenly or if I press. But one thing, I cannot erase part of it. Like, I don't like this one. Okay, but I cannot erase this. If I want to erase the steps, then the whole things is gone. So there is a problem. But all other things are very nice and it is very lightweight to carry. MRP rate is 3000 BDT, but I found it discounted most of the online and offline places. I also take it in a big discount by half. I only pay 50% because I take it from Evaly. You can also find it good deal and you can take this below 1000. It cost me 750 TAC only. So that's all. This is a very useful thing. I hope that my review will help you to take these essential things. Thank you for watching. And one thing, please subscribe. Thank you.